Imagine a ship so enormous that it carries enough cargo to supply entire cities. Rising from the morning ocean like a floating metropolis, MSC Irina represents one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements and the unstoppable power of global maritime trade. Stretching nearly 400 meters from bow to stern, MSC Irina is longer than 4 football fields combined. Standing beside this remarkable vessel makes even the world's largest buildings seem surprisingly small by comparison. Only when other ships sail nearby does the true scale become obvious. What appears massive from a distance suddenly looks tiny beside MSC Irina, proving why this vessel ranks among the largest container ships ever constructed. The enormous bow is carefully engineered to reduce water resistance while maintaining stability across thousands of miles at sea. Every curve and every steel plate reflects decades of naval engineering and remarkable precision. From above, the deck resembles a perfectly organized city built from steel containers. Every single container carries products that businesses and families around the world depend upon every single day throughout the year. As MSC Irina approaches the terminal, experienced pilots and tugboats guide the giant with incredible precision. Even inside one of the world's busiest ports, this vessel dominates the entire waterfront with its extraordinary presence. Every carefully positioned container represents another piece of the global economy. Working together with incredible precision, cranes, operators, and logistics teams load thousands of containers while keeping international trade moving around the clock. From this advanced bridge, highly trained officers safely guide one of the largest ships ever built. Every course adjustment, weather update, and navigation decision ensures thousands of valuable containers reach their destinations safely. Hidden deep inside the hull, this enormous engine delivers the power needed to move hundreds of thousands of tons across oceans. Constant monitoring by skilled engineers keeps every voyage running efficiently and safely. This remarkable vessel is far more than steel, engines, and containers. It is a vital link connecting nations, industries, and millions of people, beginning an extraordinary journey into the fascinating world of modern global shipping. Every engineering masterpiece begins with a single vision. Before MSC Irina ever touched the ocean, thousands of skilled workers spent years transforming millions of kilograms of steel into one of the greatest container ships ever constructed. Every steel plate must be positioned with absolute precision. Thousands of carefully engineered welds create an incredibly strong hull capable of surviving decades of powerful storms and millions of kilometers across the world's oceans. Unlike ships of the past, modern giants are assembled from enormous prefabricated sections. Each massive block arrives fully equipped before being carefully connected into a vessel measuring almost 400 meters in length. Long before construction begins, engineers carefully design every detail using advanced computer modeling. Every beam, compartment, and support structure is calculated to withstand enormous forces throughout the ship's operational lifetime. Installing the main engine is among the most critical moments of construction. This mechanical giant will eventually generate enough power to move hundreds of thousands of tons across oceans with remarkable efficiency. Before the ship can leave the shipyard, every electrical cable, mechanical system, navigation device, and safety feature must pass thousands of rigorous inspections designed to guarantee reliable performance during every future voyage. After years of construction, the unforgettable launch finally arrives. As water lifts the completed vessel for the very first time, years of engineering skill and dedication become a magnificent floating reality. Before entering commercial service, the ship undergoes demanding sea trials. Engineers carefully evaluate speed, maneuverability, fuel efficiency, navigation systems, and safety equipment under real operating conditions to ensure absolute reliability. With every inspection successfully completed, MSC Irina is finally ready to begin its working life. Soon this remarkable vessel will transport thousands of containers between the world's busiest international ports every single week. From a vision on an engineer's drawing board to one of the largest container ships ever built, MSC Irina now begins an extraordinary journey, carrying the hopes of global commerce across the oceans of our planet. As dawn breaks across the ocean, MSC Irina begins another day, carrying thousands of containers while connecting continents through one of the world's busiest global trade networks. Every voyage begins with careful planning as the captain and bridge team safely guide this giant vessel across thousands of kilometers of open ocean. Modern navigation combines advanced technology with experienced sailors, ensuring MSC Irina follows the safest and most efficient route across changing seas. Deep below the deck, powerful engines work continuously, providing the energy needed to move this floating giant across the world's vast oceans. Constant maintenance keeps every part of the ship operating safely, ensuring reliable performance throughout long international voyages in every weather condition. For the international crew, MSC Irina is more than a workplace. During weeks at sea, it becomes their temporary home. Regular emergency drills prepare every crew member to respond quickly, protecting lives and ensuring safety remains the highest priority on every voyage. Ocean weather can change within hours, but careful planning and advanced forecasting help the crew navigate safely through challenging conditions. Every container carries valuable goods destined for homes, businesses, and industries, making MSC Irina an essential link in worldwide commerce. As another day ends at sea, MSC Irina continues its remarkable journey, carrying the world's trade toward new destinations across distant oceans. Far from land, weather can change within minutes. Every voyage demands constant attention as the crew prepares this enormous vessel to safely face the powerful forces of nature. Towering waves challenge even the world's largest ships, yet careful engineering and experienced crews allow MSC Irina to continue safely through demanding ocean conditions. Inside the bridge, calm decision-making becomes essential. Advanced navigation systems and experienced officers work together to guide the ship safely through every challenge. Every container must remain perfectly secured. Careful inspections and powerful locking systems protect valuable cargo while maintaining the ship's stability throughout difficult weather. While storms rage above, the powerful engines below continue operating with remarkable reliability, providing the steady power needed to keep the journey moving forward. Sometimes the safest route is not the shortest. Careful navigation around severe weather protects both the crew and the valuable cargo carried across the oceans. After every storm comes calm seas once again. Careful preparation and professional teamwork allow MSC Irina to continue its journey with confidence and safety. After days at sea, another busy international port comes into view, where thousands of workers and advanced machinery prepare to unload global trade. Docking a ship of this size requires perfect coordination between tugboats, harbor pilots, bridge officers, and dock workers working together with remarkable precision. Every container unloaded begins a new journey by road or rail, completing another vital chapter in the global supply chain powered by ships like MSC Irina. Towering cranes work with remarkable precision, transferring thousands of containers between ship and shore, keeping one of the world's busiest supply chains moving every single day. Every movement is carefully planned. Advanced logistics systems coordinate cranes, vehicles, and workers to unload thousands of containers safely and efficiently within tight schedules. Every container carries a unique destination and valuable cargo, tracked continuously through advanced digital systems from the factory to the final customer. After leaving the port, containers continue their journey by road and rail, connecting factories, warehouses, retailers, and communities across entire continents. Efficient fueling operations prepare MSC Irina for another long voyage, ensuring reliable performance while supporting continuous global shipping across international trade routes. Modern engineering helps reduce fuel consumption and emissions, allowing today's container ships to transport more cargo while improving environmental efficiency on every voyage. Global trade never truly sleeps. Even through the night, ports remain active as crews and advanced machinery keep international commerce moving without interruption. With loading complete and inspections finished, MSC Irina prepares to begin another carefully planned voyage across some of the world's busiest shipping routes. Every departure marks the beginning of another international mission, delivering goods that support industries, businesses, and everyday life across the globe. As the coastline disappears behind the horizon, MSC Irina continues its remarkable journey, carrying global trade forward across the world's oceans with strength and precision. The journey does not end at the port. Every container continues through complex transport networks, connecting oceans with cities, businesses, and millions of people worldwide. From electronics and clothing to food and machinery, countless products depend on global shipping networks powered by enormous vessels like MSC Irina. Across the planet, thousands of shipping routes create a connected network, allowing goods to travel between nations and supporting the modern global economy. The future of shipping will combine human expertise with advanced technology, creating smarter, safer, and more efficient journeys across the world's oceans. Future vessels will focus on reducing emissions and improving efficiency, helping the shipping industry move toward a cleaner and more sustainable future. Behind every massive ship are dedicated people whose skill, teamwork, and commitment keep global trade moving safely across thousands of miles. Against the endless ocean, MSC Irina represents human ambition, engineering excellence, and the incredible ability to connect distant parts of our planet. From the first piece of steel to every completed voyage, MSC Irina represents years of innovation, teamwork, and engineering achievement on a remarkable scale. Even the largest machines become small when surrounded by the world's oceans, reminding us of the incredible challenges and achievements of maritime exploration.